Hi guys, in this video, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a Chimpmunk voice in Adobe Audition. Presently I've got this. Hey, this is my normal voice. Hey, this is a Chimpmunk voice. Okay, we're gonna work on this and we will try to convert this. First of all, I will go to the multi-track. I will click on that and call my session, I don't know, Chimpmunk voice. Let's call that voice 1. Voice 1. Press OK. The settings, you leave the settings the way they are. Make sure you know where you're saving your work. Press OK. OK. Then I will go to the files and I will just put this here. Okay. Then I will separate the two parts of this sound. I've got. Let me just do this a little bit just to enlarge it so that I can see a little bit better. Hey, this is my normal voice. Okay, I will cut this here using the eraser tool up there. Just cut here this, and then I will move this down here. Okay, this part is my normal voice. This part here is the part I want to modify. Okay. Hey, this is my normal voice. Hey, this is a Chimpmunk voice. Okay, we're gonna work on this one. Okay, to do that, you go to effects, go to time and pitch shifter. Okay, you're gonna have this window. Okay, then you just need to push this to around, I don't know, around here. Make sure you're in high precision, of course, and then let's listen to that and see what we got right now.
Hey, this is a Chimpmunk voice. This is my new voice.
Okay, so you can push this and play with it until you're satisfied with it, then close this. I should normally now have this. Hey, this is my normal voice.
Hey, this is a Chimpmunk voice. This is my new voice.
Okay, you want to listen to that again? Hey, this is my normal voice.
Hey, this is a Chimpmunk voice. This is my new voice.
Okay guys, that was all for this quick tutorial. We will see you in the next movie. Think of hitting the like button if you like this little video, and comment down below about anything concerning the things we share on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.